How to lose weight fast and safely. Welcome back to Dietotox. If you're trying to lose weight, remember that healthy weight loss is not about eating as little as possible. It's about creating a balanced routine that helps your body use more energy than you consume. Let's look at the most important habits you should follow. Create a calorie deficit. A calorie deficit is one of the most important parts of weight loss. It means consuming fewer calories than your body uses. You don't need to drastically reduce your food. A moderate and sustainable deficit is usually easier to maintain. Eat more protein. Protein helps keeps you satisfied and support muscle maintenance during weight loss. Include protein in your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Good choices include eggs, chicken, fish, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, beans, lentils, and tofu. Add more vegetables. Vegetables are an excellent choice when you are trying to lose weight. They provide fiber, vitamins, minerals, and volume without adding excessive calories to your meals. Add vegetables like spinach, cucumber, tomatoes, broccoli, carrot, and leafy greens to your plate. Don't eliminate carbs. Many people completely remove carbohydrates when trying to lose weight, but you don't necessarily need to eliminate them. Choose nutritious carbohydrate sources such as oats, potatoes, brown rice, whole grains, beans, and fruits, and keep portions reasonable. Reduce added sugar. Too much added sugar can make it easier to consume excess calories. Reduce sugary drinks, sweets, desserts, and heavily sweetened foods. Instead, choose whole fruits when you want something naturally sweet. Stop drinking your calories. Sugary drinks can add a surprising amount of calories to your daily diet. Sodas, sweetened juices, milkshakes, and sugary coffees can quickly increase your calorie intake. Make water your main drink and choose unsweetened beverages more often. Control your portions. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain when portions are too large. Pay attention to how much you are eating instead of only focusing on what you are eating. Use smaller portions, eat slowly, and give yourself time to feel satisfied. Eat more fiber. Fiber can help make your meals more filling. You can get fiber from vegetables, fruits, beans, lentils, oats, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. Try adding a source of fiber to every meal. Walk more every day. You don't need an intense workout every day to become more active. Walking is simple and accessible for most people. Take a walk after meals, use the stairs when possible, and try to reduce long periods of sitting. Start strength training. Strength training can help you maintain and build muscle while losing body fat. You can start with simple exercises such as squats, lunges, push ups, and resistance exercises. Start gradually and increase the difficulty as your fitness improves. Get enough sleep. Sleep is an important part of a healthy weight loss routine. Poor sleep can affect your energy, appetite, and food choices. Try to maintain a regular sleep schedule and give your body enough time to rest and recover. Drink enough water. Staying hydrated is important for overall health. Keep a water bottle nearby and drink regularly throughout the day. Water is also a great replacement for high calorie sugary drinks. Avoid late night overeating. Late night eating is not automatically bad, but frequent unnecessary snacking can add extra calories. Before reaching for a snack, ask yourself if you are actually hungry. If you are hungry, choose something nutritious and keep the portion reasonable. Plan your meals. Meal planning can make weight loss much easier. When healthy meals are already available, You are less likely to depend on fast food or random snacks. Prepare simple foods such as boiled eggs, grilled chicken, vegetables, oats, yogurt, fruits, and whole grains. Avoid crash diets. Crash diets may promise dramatic results, but they are often difficult to maintain. Extreme restriction can leave you feeling hungry, tired, and frustrated. Instead, focus on a realistic eating plan that you can continue for months, not just a few days. If you really want to lose weight, don't search for the most extreme diet. Search for habits that you can follow consistently. Create a moderate calorie deficit, eat more protein and vegetables, control your portions, drink more water, stay active, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep.